In this video, I'm going to show you how to use automation tools for doing Aliexpress product research. For this purpose, we'll use the no-code bot builder. Find the bot link in the video description. As an example, we will be exporting smartwatches from Aliexpress. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Part 1. Scraping product lists from Aliexpress. To export product lists from Aliexpress, use the no-code bot builder. Here's how to launch this tool. Install Botster's free Chrome extension. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the no-code bot builders page. Click on the green button to create a custom bot. Select the list scraper. Head to Aliexpress, find your target product, and copy the search results link. Enter this link into the bot field. Click on Select Elements. Select the elements that you need to scrape. For example, product names and prices. Specify how many products you want to be on the list. For example, 100. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Aliexpress product list to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of smartwatches from Aliexpress, including product names and prices. You can add other details if needed. To scrape filtered product lists, apply the desired filters on Aliexpress. For example, free shipping. Then enter the link into the bot field and scrape a filtered product list. Part 2. Monitoring prices on Aliexpress. To monitor prices on Aliexpress, launch the no-code bot builder again and select the monitoring bot. Enter an Aliexpress link. For example, smartwatches for women. Click on Select Elements. Add the desired elements. For example, product names and prices. Add more links with identical structure. For example, smartwatches for men and kids. Set monitoring frequency. For example, every hour. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported current product prices. The bot will monitor price changes and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Track Aliexpress price changes and grab the best offers. Sign up on Botster, scrape Aliexpress product data and prices with the no-code bot builder, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.